Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Tidal to your Roku TV so you can stream all your favorite music, playlists, and high-quality audio directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Roku TV and ensure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A reliable internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. Press the Home button on your Roku remote to go to the main menu. Step 3. Navigate to Streaming Channels on the left-hand menu. This is the Roku Channel Store, where you can browse and download apps. Step 4. Use the Search Channels option and type Tidal using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Select the official Tidal app from the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct app. Step 6. Click on Add Channel to download and install Tidal on your Roku TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Once installed, return to your home screen. You will see the Tidal icon among your channels. Step 8. Open the Tidal app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Tidal account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. Step 9. After signing in, browse your playlists, search for your favorite songs, or explore curated playlists and albums. Tidal also offers high-fidelity audio and exclusive content for music lovers. Step 10. For easier access in the future, highlight the Tidal app on your home screen, press the Options button on your Roku remote, and select Move Channel to place it in a convenient location. That's it! Tidal is now installed on your Roku TV, and you're ready to enjoy high-quality music and playlists. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.